So a few days ago I made this purchase of a 2001 Squier Jaguar, or if you're from Britain, Jaguar, I don't know. Anyways, I purchased this for pretty much a song. 2001 is a great, almost mint shape, some fingerprints, but whatever. So I sent it to a shop up the road that I go to, and the note from the owner was that the original owner was that the switch was funky. So I had him replace that with a nice switchcraft. It's nice. New strings, it's in the XL 110s. So I asked him, I said, what's the possibility of splitting the coils? Because they are Duncan designed for this particular instrument. These were custom made just for, can I do it? Here we go. These are custom made just for this guitar to give it that vintage sound. And basically it's a humbucker. I said, sure, I think I can do that. So what we have now, on top of it, you get your regular volume, and you have your tone knob, which is like an indexed. It's got like, I forget, 8-position tone knob. It's a jazz bass style. And you got individual volumes. He also was able to tap the coils. And when he was telling me before he hooked it up, I happened to walk in the store, and he was actually working on this, so he was just buttoning it up. And he said to me, he says, you know, I'm not sure how it's going to sound, but says usually they're muddy, they don't sound quite right. But he put those on, and he hooked up the wire, strung it all up. And oh yeah, he placed this. He said that the Squier jacks are junk, so he replaced that with a switchcraft as well. I don't mind paying money for good stuff. There's nothing wrong with that. So anyways, he strung it up, and he was demoing it. He was playing it. He's like, boy, I've never seen anything like this in my years. I mean, it ain't like that, but it's like, it sounded so good. And I was listening to him play it, and real nice tones. The bridge tap is really bright, really strong. That'll cut through a mix. But anyways, here's a 2001 Jaguar. There you go. Jaguar. There you go. Jaguar. Some places say the U, some don't. But it's a nice condition, great condition. Actually, I think I'm the third owner of this, but we did some work on it, so we did a nice. And the so the gap was a little odd at first on the. He did lower it a little bit. It was pretty high, but yep, good shape. Adjusted everything up. They're looking good. Indonesia. Yep, that's my newest toy. Something to play with. Figured I'd start getting into modifying stuff. I have some nice stuff. I just don't modify it. I just picked up a Telecaster Squier Affinity Telecaster in blonde. That might be my toy for messing with pickups and such. But anyways, there she is.